Beautiful people, I am Ewateniaduke, and today we're at Kumpir. So this is a Turkish inspired dish, and I'm at a food truck to try it out. And Salamu alaikum. Mara abash.
Kumpir, bake and bite.
Compare, bake and bite. They're teaching me Arabic, you know, I have to learn. So right here, I'm gonna be trying out so this is the tornado fries. That's it, right?
Potato.
Tornado potato. So let's try this out. Ooh. It's very crispy. I like it. I feel like this is the healthy version of when you're eating like all those chips in the store. But this is more healthier, it's more fresh, and it's more sweet. It just balances out everything. Chicken kebab here. So it comes with like chicken with cheese and everything. See how cute that is? Let's try it. Perfect. I love it. Barbecue burger. But their own barbecue burger is made differently. So, like I said, it's going to be a healthy version of everything. So, right here. Ooh.
Sahtain.
Ooh.
Bon appetit in Arabic.
Bon appetit.
Sahtain.
Sahtain.
You got it.
It's so good. What? If you haven't tried this, come try this. I love it. Sauce is doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. The mushroom is good, it's perfect. Wow. Everything feels fresh. And it feels very homemade. I don't know, like, you know. Please, guys. Come here. Come try this. So, a trial will convince you, to be honest. Come try this Turkish meal. And you also enjoy it. And I'll see you guys on to the next one. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, and don't forget to help repost this video and share this video. Bye-bye.
All right. So my name is Rauf Yassin. I'm from Syria, and I live in Dallas, Texas. I had worked with restaurant, had gained restaurant experience for over like 10 to 15 years of experience. I had a dream to open my own food trailer and become the owner and make delicious food for people. So here's the dream become true. And we created a really unique new idea, what is baked potatoes, topped with different American, European, Mediterranean toppings that fits everybody culture. So we got the idea from Turkish, what is like, they bring the baked potato, they bake it as a fresh, They melted with mozzarella cheese, butter and oil and a little salt. And then we add on the potato whatever toppings that it will meet your needs. Pretty much we will have like barbecue burger if you like burgers. We will have chicken kebabs if you are a kebab guy. We have a vegetarian potato. What is, if you are vegetarian, you don't like to eat meats, we have vegetarian style. We'll have corn and cheddar and mushrooms, green pepper, red pepper, onions, whatever you like the toppings to be. We have hot dogs, American style. We have turkey. We put turkey on a potato. We have bacon bites special. What is a grilled chicken with melted with mushroom and a creamy sauce with onion. And we also have fajita pasta. It's a penne pasta mixed with veggies and grilled chicken as well. You should come try all of them. Each one is better than the other one. And we also have a snack. If somebody needs just stop for snack, the kids would like snack. We have something that's called tornado potato. What is shaped like a tornado and fried in oil is super delicious. If you like something chipsy, seasony, and have our special signature sauce, you should come and try it out. It's the best.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am,
and I enjoyed my
absolutely.
meal. And
Yep.
I hope you guys come try him out and give him a try. He's the one making all the food, and he's very good with it. And I love it.
That's Kumpir Bacon Bites.
Yes.
Me, my wife, and my partner, we all making that business together.
And that's the picture right there. You see?
Yep. That's
the three
me,
of them.
my wife, and my partner.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.